Welcome to the tutorial on how to change the nozzle. There are different types of nozzle size, and it is good to know which size suits the 3D printer and follows the Cura settings. Start by unscrewing the 4 screws from the heater block by turning it counterclockwise, but be careful as the heater block is hot. By using a wrench, unscrew the nozzle from the heater block by turning it counterclockwise. Select the desired nozzle size and screw it manually into the heater block until hand tight. By using a wrench, tighten the nozzle completely by turning it clockwise. However, do not use too much force as it might affect the nozzle. Then, tighten the 4 screws into the heater block to secure the nozzle, and when it is done, the 3D printer is then set to go.